Hounsfield Boilers manufactures one of the smallest and highly efficient domestic oil-fired boilers on the market. Everything we know about how to make the best possible boiler has been painstakingly engineered into our Tuscan range to provide the perfect combination of efficiency and heating performance. So why choose a Hounsfield boiler? It's the attention to the details of how our boilers are constructed that make them unique. Hounsfield boilers are exceptionally quiet as we fully insulate everything, as you can see here on the cover and the side casings, as well as the heat exchanger. The addition of water jackets into the base and top of the boiler produces a more efficient unit that maximizes the heat transfer area. This also prevents boiler corrosion and results in making them the smallest condensing boilers on the market. Hounsfield boilers feature no sharp edges or corners anywhere, making them incredibly easy and safe to install and service. Unique to all Hounsfield boilers are neon indicators that are clearly visible through the boiler casing to communicate the boiler status to both the homeowner and boiler engineers. There's a mains power, high temperature cutout, and burner lockout. This prevents unnecessary engineer callouts. The compact control panel features a plug-in mains power supply and a plug-in burner lead, making installation and servicing extremely easy. There's also a convenient clip to retain the fire valve sensor. For additional safety and to protect the boiler, we fit adjustable high limit thermostats set at 90 degrees Celsius. Hounsfield boilers are fitted with Bentone BF1 Burners, which is the only domestic burner on the market designed from scratch for condensing technology. The fuel pump is remotely mounted with a drive dog between the pump and the electric motor. This alleviates heat transfer and expensive failure problems. The fuel pump is capable of lifting oil up to 2.5 meters, so there's no need to install deaerators like these. Another great low lifetime cost saving. Servicing and cleaning the burner could not be any easier. Loosen one cap screw and remove the burner head to access the fan, electrodes, photocell, and burner nozzle. With the fan positioned directly behind the blast tube, rather than being offset to one side, like many domestic burners, airflow within the burner is simplified. So one burner model covers the full range of Hounsfield boilers. The BF1 utilizes industry-standard components that results in lower lifetime costs for spare parts. There are optional oil line entry points to the rear of the casing, providing a neat out-of-sight alternative to the conventional front-side entry. There's plenty of room inside the casing to configure the oil line. The flexible oil line is manufactured from aircraft-grade hose with a Teflon core and a stainless steel braid, making this a lifelong component, as it will not degrade like other hoses manufactured from rubber or thermoplastic. The flexible oil line, fuel isolation valve, and 10mm compression fitting comes pre-assembled, with the oil line pre-primed with kerosene fuel. Discrete laser cut knockouts for flue and water connections, including the condensate drainage, provides versatile options when configuring pipework, maintaining the aesthetic appearance of the installed boiler. We are the only boiler manufacturer that supply a paper element oil filter and fittings with the boiler. A paper element filter is essential to protect the components within the fuel pump, as the alternative and commonly used gauze filters do not provide adequate filtration and will lead to expensive premature boiler failure. Another great low lifetime cost saving. For peace of mind, we provide an industry-leading, no quibble 5-year warranty, which covers all components, including pumps and thermostats.
We like the Hounsfield boiler because it's a family-run business. We found them an extremely reliable appliance to install.
Really great on price and also ease of installation. I'd highly recommend installing them.
They are very well built. They are designed to last a long time. The components are mostly universal and can be replaced easily and at fairly good cost.
And I would recommend them thoroughly to all of our customers.
Here's a quick reminder of why you should choose a Hounsfield boiler. Fully insulated for whisper quiet operation. Modern heat exchanger design. Visible neon indicators. Plug and play electrics. Bentone BF1 Burner. Lifelong flexible oil line. Discrete laser cut knockouts. Oil filter kit included. 5-year no quibble warranty. Low lifetime costs. Made in Britain. Practical design for hassle-free servicing and installation. Please contact us for a copy of our latest brochure.